Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Friends, in this video we are going to study what is the difference between the hemoglobin and the myoglobin. The first of all, it is my request to please like, comment and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So the first point of the hemoglobin is that it consists of 4 polypeptide chains and the myoglobin consists of only one polypeptide chain. Okay, next, each molecule possesses 4 iron containing heme groups. It means because it has 4 polypeptide chains, it's mean in each polypeptide chain there is a one iron containing heme groups. That's why the 4 polypeptide chains contains the 4 iron containing heme groups. Okay, the next point of the myoglobin is that each molecule possesses one iron containing heme group. Okay, the third point is that the 4 oxygen molecules can bind to each hemoglobin molecule, and the myoglobin is that the only one oxygen molecule can bind to each myoglobin molecule. The next point is that the hemoglobin is located in the red blood cells, and the myoglobin is present in the muscles. Okay, the hemoglobin transports the oxygen. It is the function of the hemoglobin. Okay, and the myoglobin stores the oxygen. Okay, the next point is that it has less affinity with the oxygen, and the myoglobin has the more affinity with the oxygen. Okay, then next point is that it loses the oxygen at the pressure of oxygen 60 mmHg, and the myoglobin loses the oxygen at the pressure of oxygen 20 mmHg. So these are the differences between the hemoglobin and the myoglobin. The hemoglobin in man increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood to about 75 times. The myoglobin is also known as the muscle hemoglobin because it has the same function as the hemoglobin, but it is present in the muscles, and it only stores the oxygen. It doesn't transport the oxygen. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video and if you learned something new, so please make sure to like, comment, share to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So until my next video, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.